get it in the can, not on me.
Go back to the way you were doing it. Go back to the way you were doing it. No, you don't have a bubbler.
I know. Get it higher and pour in. There you go.
I'm gonna call
sir.
The EPA.
Cut.
Hey guys, welcome to VW Life.
Hello everybody out there in VW Life land. Yes, today is a big day, Matt Jackson.
It is. It's the start of the harvest weekend and we're about to cruise.
We're going on a cruise through the beautiful hill country of Texas.
That's right. We're gonna have about 50 to maybe 100 Volkswagens.
Oh, that many? Yeah, there might be a lot. So we're very excited. Our cruise is part of VW Harvest Weekend. It's kind of one of our traditions. It's our 9th year. We're lining up here. This is where the show is here at Williamson County Park. So people, it's a good thing we did it to kind of familiarize, let people know where the show is for tomorrow. But today we're going to cruise from here to the world famous
Notch Hamburgers. So yeah, we're just going to do a cruise and we're going to bring you with us. And if you guys like cars and fun times, stay tuned.
All kinds of cars? Maybe just Volkswagens.
Just Volkswagens.
Oh yeah. Oh, but no Toyotas allowed.
Or Hyundais.
Yeah, or Priuses.
All right, let's do this.
Let's roll.
Hey Jason, are you ready to cruise?
Yeah, bud. I'm ready to cruise.
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be so much fun. Oh my god.
How's it going? Are you guys ready to cruise?
Oh, you betcha.
How's it going? Are you guys ready to cruise?
We're ready to cruise.
All right.
Let's do it.
This is Marcy Junebug. If you don't follow her, I'll leave a link to her channel right here. She's made it all the way from Indiana.
That's right.
Drivers meeting! Woo! Free for all. We don't like safe things here, Gia's here, that kind of thing, so you can just park wherever.
We have about 67 Volkswagens. Jake, you counted 67?
Yeah.
So,
67 Volkswagens. Crash dummy just got here. That makes 68. We need one more for a perfect number.
one more for the perfect number.
We got some smoke, man.
We got some smoke. You might not be able to see it, but there's smoke over there. We got a couple of late joiners, 68, 69, and 70. No, 71. Oh, there's some more.
Holy shit. God, that's at least 75 right there. We're running double, two abreast. So,
right, the highway is a 3-lane highway, and we're 2 lanes of Volkswagens. It's pretty epic. People are honking. It's so much fun.
Yeah, we had like 75 Volkswagens, and it's like a big old giant parade going down the highway.
If you guys like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and give us a like.
Oh yeah, give us a like. We like it when you like us. Coming up on Top Notch, baby. Here we go.
Au revoir. Did you have fun?
Yeah, it's a blast.
It's a good ride. Had a good time.
Oh yeah,
Good time.
awesome. First time.
Perfect. Thank you, sir.
Get some of that. That's badass.
Hey, I'm Jeff from Houston, the Houston chapter of DLK. Go Astros!
Awesome. And what year is your car?
It's a 72 Super Beetle.
Nice.
1302 model, flat windshield. Been here before, we'll be here again.
I'm here with brother Bob from
Millsap, Texas.
Millsap, Texas. Where is Millsap?
It's west of Fort Worth, kind of out by Weatherford.
Okay.
We're in the sticks.
You're in the sticks?
Yeah, we're in the sticks.
Well, you're here. Harvest Cruise Night to Top Notch. What brings you down here?
I'm a virgin.
Well, aren't we all?
No. We'd never been down here. We
Yeah?
wanted to come down here. And so, anyhow, we decided to debut the car out here.
So tell us about the car you debuted, because this thing's very unique and amazing.
And my thought was I was going to build what I deemed is a Hearst bug.
Right.
And so that's why you get the black and the
Right.
gold and the Hearst emblems and all the Mickey T's and all that. I was looking for power, and honestly, I wanted a Type 4. I wanted a Type 4 motor. I wanted at least a 2-liter motor in the car, and those things start really $4 or $5 grand
Right.
for something decent, big, and that whole car, 2006 Chevy Ecotec, come out of like a Chevy Cruze or Cobalt.
Right.
I bought the whole car for $500. I went home and sawzalled it apart. I pulled the engine, the harness, and the computer, everything out of the car. We built the whole car. It's using most of the stock parts. Christian Wright came over and did the computer and the harness for me and got it running. And so that was like 2 days ago.
So 2 days ago.
Yeah, I cranked it 2 days ago.
So you cranked it, brought it down on a trailer and drove it.
It's had 2 miles and until I drove it to here. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And how's it running?
It's a monster.
Well, this thing is absolutely amazing, and we are so glad that you brought it here tonight.
I'm just glad to meet the guys that I forced my wife to watch on YouTube. She's so tired of y'all. I guarantee you, she's like, oh, there's the guy with the weird laugh, and he always says Mike Jackson.
Are you having a good time?
Hell yeah, man. This is awesome.
Gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we have set a new world record! Woo! Most cars ever at Top Notch. To give yourself a round of applause.
Thanks everybody for coming out. We do a lot of car shows here, and we've never had more than 100 cars on the property at the same time. My assistant and I walked around for about 20 minutes looking at cars. We narrowed it down to 5, but we had to narrow it down to 1, and that one was about to drive off, and I made him stay. So sorry that you had to stay an extra 5 minutes to collect your award. Terry and Mary, is that right? It's a 65 bus, and he's going to tell you a little more about it.
I got a 65 blue and white lowered bus over there. You've all seen it probably many times. It's my baby. I really appreciate this award. I've only won one award before. This is my second one. This is awesome. This one means the most.
Get in the picture.
Top notch. Thanks, Top Notch.
Hey everybody! Well, what a day!
Yeah.
And it's turned into night. That's what. That's the cycle. Day night. Day night. Because it's because we rotate on our axis. Anyway, that's another day for another story. Yes, science. Ladies and gentlemen, big night. We had 75 cars, 75 Volkswagens in our cruise.
On the cruise, and then about 30 or 40 were here for a grand total of 100 to 110 ish.
Yeah, which is a new world record at Top Notch. So it's pretty cool.
They come and go, so it's a little harder.
Yeah, he said at one given time, 106.
Yes, 106.
Largest.
Yes, the largest ever at Top Notch. Guys, most importantly, what a fun night. This is just a kickoff for the Harvest Weekend. The cruise today and hanging out at Top Notch is so much fun. And then tomorrow's big show, boys.
Yeah, we got a lot of work ahead of us, and we appreciate you guys spending the time with us today. So if you like what you're seeing, hit the like button and subscribe.
Oh, yes. Please tell all your friends, tell your uncles, tell your aunts, everybody about VW Life. We love you guys, the community, whatever this is all about. I mean, if you just listen to the stories, I'm telling you guys, it's just so cool. As we always, when we see people, it's like it's a good high school reunion.
We were going to eat burgers earlier. What did they say? Hey, it's like watching my show.
It's awesome. It really is. So thank you all so much for being a part of us.
Yep. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Oh, the big show's tomorrow. Weather's great, so we'll see you guys. VW Life.